Here are 10 of the most eeriest videos. The footages you are about to see were captured from actual events.
And it's like 4:45 in the morning. And at the Secret Enterprise complex, when I was pulling in, I saw something really weird. I don't know what it was. It had lights or something on it. Could have been a maintenance person doing some work or something, but dude, I swear I don't know what this is. On it. See what it was. It's down in here. Let's put it on night vision. Let's go down here and take a look.
I really don't think this is
I did. I swear I did. Right down here. If it went across that way. Or who. I'm just gonna put the camera down right here on this pole. Dude, what the fuck is that? Dude, look through the night vision. Look on the screen. See? What is that? Hello? Hey, who is that? This is tripping me out, dude.
Erica thinks that she saw a ghost in the basement and she is losing her mind. I told her we will go down there. I'll go down there together. We'll check it out. There's not a ghost down there. Okay, let's go check it out, Erica.
What are you filming?
I'm not. I was just saying you thought you saw a ghost.
I did see a ghost.
Oh
what
my God, Erica.
I'm freaking out right now.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do you have a flashlight or what?
I don't.
Okay. Okay, we'll go.
Jeez. Dude, it's really fucking scary down there, alright?
Okay, we'll just go. Yeah, we'll go. Okay, we'll go.
I want to go back in, down there.
It's fine.
I went down there and I heard some fucking fucked up shit.
Okay. It's gonna be. I'll go with you. I'll go first or whatever. It's gonna be fine.
I don't even want to go back in there.
It's fine.
You don't believe me, so.
I do believe you. Okay, we're gonna go together. God, Erica, I don't really believe.
I'm a crazy person.
Oh my God, well, I just don't believe in ghosts. Okay.
I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go in there.
Oh my God, look, your neighbors live above this place, okay? And they're not scared. They were watching a scary movie.
They can't hear it from up there,
Okay,
Tara.
all right.
Jesus.
All right. I'm gonna just let me do it then, Erica.
Fine,
I'll go first.
I will let you do it.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Scary basement. All right. Let me just get down here, Erica. Stop freaking out. Okay. Oh, what
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
No. Shut up. Are you doing that, Erica? Are you doing that?
I'm doing that.
Shut up if you're doing. Oh my God! I heard it! Oh my God! Oh my God! Go! Oh my God! I heard it! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Well, you all saw that, even if the other camera didn't catch anything.
Do you hear that screaming? Dude. Hold on a second. We have to investigate. We have to. There's a cemetery over there.
Wait.
Oh my god, guys.
Do you mind if I take your picture?
I hear screaming from everywhere, guys. You guys heard that on the audio? Oh my god, guys.
Contrary to a lot of ghost videos, the property in this one actually looks very well maintained, and you can see this as the guys continue exploring. At one point they discover a door to the basement and get some strong readings from the EMF.
Here, take this. See if you can get any readings.
Oh, it is a museum, right?
Oh, look at that, guys. Holy cow.
It's never made
Oh my
that
god.
noise.
Oh, it's going to the yellow.
Oh my god.
Can we turn my light off?
I don't know. No.
Later on in the video, they all decide to venture to a nearby cemetery where one of the guys catches a light anomaly in a direction where there was no lights before.
Yo.
What?
Oh.
What?
What?
I can't. There was a light
Yeah?
over there,
Really?
facing this way.
Really?
Yes.
That could very much be paranormal too?
Do you hear them?
Yep, I hear people. Or voices. I don't know if it's people.
Then, as they decide they've had enough, they discover a secret hidden trail in the woods. Partway down this trail, they come across something called a cursing tree.
Alright, we just found a random trail in the woods. So we're going through it right now. Yo! What the f, guys? What the f, guys?
Okay, whoa.
Bro, what is that? And you had a fucking spike on your EMF reader as soon as you walked up here.
Okay, this doesn't make sense.
Every abandoned house is creepy, but every so often there's a home which is just a level above. The following video is that. It's a cursed witch's house, and Tim Morozov decided he would go there to record some footage. The first thing he picks up on his camera is what sounds like people whispering enchantments or something. However, this is only in one room, so as he continues to explore more and more, things start happening. Eventually, Tim comes to a wooden door. It has a small hole in the corner missing, the perfect size for a hand. For some reason, Tim decides to put his hand through, and he wasn't prepared for the outcome.
Вот он, этот дом. Да вот. Один здесь. Про который мне говорили. Всем привет, друзья! Меня зовут Тим Морозов, и сейчас я нахожусь в заброшенном доме. Это не просто заброшенный дом. Там есть кто живой? В темноте, в лучах фонарика, в принципе, с хорошим воображением можно увидеть кого. Hey! Hey!
Number 2. John from Exploration Unknown returns to a farmhouse he visited previously, however this time he came with a couple of friends. This particular building is exactly what you would picture when you think of a horror movie scenario. It even had low-lying mist to darken the mood even further. When John is outside looking at the surrounding area, he captures some really weird sounds I can't quite put my finger on.
Oh my god, guys. Look how foggy it is. I don't see anything. My God, something could be standing 10 foot in front of me. I wouldn't notice it. Oh, wow. This is incredible.
Then later on, at a couple of different points, he captures entities on camera which he clearly couldn't see with his own eyes.
The K2 meter over here in this window. We're getting things set up. Alright. And then in here, we got Josh on the porch.
My breath. It sounded like my breath.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, thank you for talking to us, Ava.